Hello and welcome to your next car on the walk around video for the 2017 420D M Sport Gran Coupe in Estrella Blue. Alongside the full facelift the car comes with, the vehicle does also feature a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit, as well as a brand new set of the 19-inch 405 M style alloys, as you can see there at the front of the car, as well as those very striking LED facelifted headlights. You can see the gloss black front splitter and matching kidney grills down the side. We've got an exceptionally clean and tidy vehicle, as you can see there. It's also got BMW gloss black air breathers, the matching sidebars, and our YNC Mperformance decals and side stickers. Inside we've got a full black Dakota leather, which in the front comes with the electric lumbar and heated seat options, as well as the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. Shortly, when I take a seat inside, I will be showing you more of the interior features. For the meantime, I will show you the rear seats, where, as you can see there, we've got a very comfortable and spacious 3-seat ISOFIX rear bench, which again is all in great condition. Darkened M Sport headline, and of course, before heading round to the very back of the car, we will once again show you off these fantastic 19-inch alloys, which really do suit the Estrella Blue and the 4 Series Gran Coupe very well indeed. At the back, we've gone for the gloss rear spoiler and a matching rear diffuser, LED rear facelifted tail lights as well. Opening up the automatic opening and closing tailgate, you can see there how big the boot space is, and that it can be made even bigger because you can split fold the seats, and the top and bottom partial shelves are both removable. Round onto the driver's side, once again everything is exceptionally clean and tidy on this vehicle, and we shall of course show you, try our best anyway, to show how well all of the additions ourselves have made really work well with that Estrella Blue. Of course, taking a seat inside now, we'll quickly just run yourselves through a few of the major talking points and features, beginning of course with the professional wide navigation and media screen. Really key, having that wider screen of course is going to help out massively when using the sat nav, which in itself is a really user-friendly system, by far the easiest to use out there. We'll go back to the main menu and check out the other features, where of course we do have Bluetooth, telephone and audio. There is also DAB, as well as all of the other user refinements, where you'll find music collection, AUX and a USB input. Down at the dual climate control, where you can also find the switches for the heated seats. Just 1 second, we'll go through and show you the vehicle service requirements and history. 50,000 miles or just over covered. Cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all there on that multifunction M Sport steering wheel, along with the paddles for the already very incredible 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. As you can see there, again, all of the service requirements are all in green, indicating that there's plenty of service life left in them. 8,000 miles till next service. And in terms of history, there you can see on screen there's 2 recorded service stamps from BMW, and the rest have been carried out independently. So thank you all for taking the time to watch the walk around video of the 4 Series 420D M Sport Gran Coupe. Again, if you would like some more information on the vehicle, all you have to do is follow the links I'll leave for you in the description. From there, that'll take you through to the website, and you can view all of the prices and funding options available for this wonderful vehicle, along with all of our other huge variety and range of 4 Series. Thank you all, take care, and bye bye.